Oh, I did. Thank you.
Wow. It's actually baked and I'm so excited.
DJ's just eyeing it. It's all good. It's all good. What do you think?
I heard like 100%.
It's so weird. I usually do like oh really?
On the hunt for deodorant. Feel like I thought you were going for DO. This man's in the snack aisle. Or actually, you could buy it now and then just leave it at the house if you really wanted to. As you can see, Melanie has mosquito issues. That's not one of her first ones. But then you got oh my gosh, it looks worse on here. Beautiful day outside, you know?
I need to poo.
Oh god. Nice, great day outside. Last day here at Acacia. It's a chill day. Today, it's a chill, pool, laundry, gym day apparently.
Yes.
With this guy.
Yes.
We said no alcohol today, but it's what?
They went and bought beer.
12 p.m. and
Shotgun
just
Red
some-
Horse Canada Day.
Some beer. Across the street.
So
Look
it
both
is
ways.
confirmed that Red Horse has gin in it.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Daniel's already thrown up. We have a video of that right here. Carla, your boyfriend. Carla's. Alright, welcome to MTV Cribs. We're here. Acacia. We got your boy Josh. Your girl Mel. You got Paul. Downstairs. And I smell it. Oh, here's the gym. What do you think, Josh? Have heavy weights enough for you? No, I think so.
Hi, sorry. We just want to ask, how much is it to do like a load of laundry?
For wash, dry, and fold, ma'am, it's 35 per kilo.
Per kilo? And is it like how long does it take?
It takes 6 days.
6 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. But it's $1 a kilo.
Just like read that, I'm like, okay, how do we get that?
Thanks, 6 days. So, Josh, you going to the gym or?
No, I thought you were cool.
The weights look too light. Eh? Ooh, show one time.
People here go max 10 pounds.
Ooh. What are you gonna do? Stay here? We could just swim all day, and then.
But we need ride time for clothes at the pass.
Yeah.
Or we're gonna just hand wash here
We can
and
just
dry
hand wash
it.
here and dry it.
Yeah, we have a lot of these.
Like,
Let's just do. Let's just wash in the tub. We don't have a tub.
At the convenience store? Let's go look.
I don't have cash.
I don't either.
Oh, it's all inside.
Josh has cash?
What are you trying to get?
Detergent.
Detergent.
How much? Jeez.
I have 12. Sounds about right.
Let's go check. Let's go check first. the 12 peso challenge.
Yo, we did it.
The 12 peso challenge is complete.
We passed the 12 peso challenge.
9 peso detergent. 6. Perfect.
Even cheaper. We can buy 2.
So we only had 12 pesos for laundry. We found it 6 pesos. Take this in though. This guy doesn't even do his own laundry at home. But now he's singing and doing laundry. Philippines has changed him. Ooh, it's the chorus. Oh, you didn't hit that. Why didn't you hit that note?
How's it going there, bud? My captain's gonna be when it takes 6 days to do laundry, you gotta improvise.
Joshua?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Doing laundry, boys. The first thing I saw was both. What do you want me to do first?
So we're at Mckinley Hill, which is also known as the fanciest mall in Taguig. And by fancy, I mean there is a canal.
Funny thing is, it took us like 4 hours to actually get here because we were ready since 5. But everyone fell asleep. Now we're here at 10.
BJ and Josh really just fell asleep, but now we're finally here. But they have gondolas that you can rent out and go on. They have a lot of restaurants here. It closes at 11 p.m. It's currently 10, so we have about an hour to kind of check this place out. And if it's anything like all the other malls in the Philippines, it's probably huge. But yeah, it's so nice. You can see so many different things. We're all kind of, we unintentionally became the fanny pack crew.
Okay, let's go on the bridge.
Everybody. So,
Rice and dough.
taking some pictures.
So,
Found my fam.
what do you guys want to eat?
I don't know, but I'm hungry.
Yep. Hi guys, what's up?
There's
Alright, so,
oh, yellow tab's right there. Let's go to yellow tab.
alright, we're gonna go and get food.
They asked me for coming and I said yes.
So, this is Carla, Daniel,
You got Kuya BJ, and then my brother. Josh.
just finished eating. Got back. Mans are full. You full?
Oh.
So full. Packing, everyone's packing. So we can go back to the house and see y'all then. Hi! When you have a 15-pound limit and don't know what to do with yourself. It's 3 a.m. Our flight's at 6.
Just me, we gotta leave in an hour.
You okay, Carla?
Allergies.
Mel's just chilling.